To change wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you need to open Settings, then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to Wallpaper and Style. Here you want to tap on the Change Wallpapers, and then you can just simply search for the wallpaper that you wish to set on your phone. You can also tap on Get More Wallpapers in case you need to find additional ones. So let's say I'm gonna try to set up this one over here. You can also decide if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both. You can check or uncheck any of these screens, and then we go next. Of course, we should still be able to zoom in and zoom out the wallpaper, at least for the most part. If you use any of these default wallpapers, then most likely you will not be able to do so. But you can, of course, zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position, as I mentioned. And sometimes below over here, you can find some additional options like effects and frames that you can set up. And as you can see here, we have the preview of the lock screen, and at the bottom here of the preview, we have the button that allows us to switch to the home screen, and we can just quickly switch back and forth between these screens if you want to check something. Once you are done with the customization, just tap on the Done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.